Central Park, New York. Pleasure having you on board Rengama, Dia. And what are your thoughts on being here in the Central Park? That's your favorite, I think.
I love this contrast. This is actually my favorite spot in New York City because it's green.
Okay.
It's the opportunity to be in the urban jungle but actually experience nature really closely. So you can picnic here, you can read here, you can run here, you can bicycle here. It's lovely, and I'm so happy I'm here with you, Fred.
Thank you very much. Okay, let's just walk around and just show the greenery that is there and how
So they have these carriages here, and
Right.
people just picnic over here. I'm allowed to just show people doing things.
Yeah, I think we are. We can do it.
So we go. There's like I love that people just rather than lie down. I do that all the time.
Okay, what do you like to read, Dia?
I read a lot of stuff. I used to read a lot of fiction. I started reading a lot more biographies now. I find human stories very, very interesting.
So, what is the last biography that you read?
The last biography that I read was Andrea Agassi's. I was meaning to read it for a really long time, and for some reason I would pick it up and then put it back again. But we started watching tennis closely, and I was like, no, I have to go back and read that story. So open.
Okay, this is Rudraksh Joshi. Hello, I'm watching this from Nepal.
Oh.
A lot of people there are saying hi. Okay, alright, this is Mangesh Shinde saying hi. Dia
Hi,
Shinde
Mangesh.
saying hi. Okay, and yeah, you're a producer as well. You like to what you said that, and there are many causes that you espouse as well. You have a mind that keeps on ticking and you keep on thinking about a lot of things. Can we see you directing at some point of time? Would you like to direct at some
I
point?
get that question a lot.
Okay. So I'm not the first.
I think, no, but only from people who really know me well. For
I have a lot of respect for you. Basically, because I feel that if you have a heart which feels and is sensitive, so maybe there can be stories that you can come forth with.
I do feel it, and thank you for that compliment. I really want to tell stories, which is why I turned producer. I would like to direct someday.
Okay.
And when, I don't know. I guess when I have a story that I can't allow anybody else to tell but myself, I will tell it.
So Andy Samir is saying, which kind of roles do you like the most?
I find that I really enjoy two spectrums, two ends of the spectrum. I really enjoy playing real characters, relatable people who give you an insight into how they're playing, what kind of things lead to their choices, positive characters that kind of make a difference. But I also like to play the other end, which is dark and mysterious, because I think that's a side that people don't really expect me to play. Now you're on. I've enjoyed doing those kind of roles a little more because they're edgier, they're not so mean. I get to really be somebody I'm not.
Okay, and someone with a European
Should we
name.
get on a skateboard? Can we do a Facebook Live on a skateboard?
You should do that. You should do that. And there is a European
Can you
sounding
show
name.
them how lovely this is?
Yeah, absolutely. You see all the stars, all the
Yeah.
Okay, so there was a European sounding name and they say that you have a smile.
Oh, thank you.
Sandeep is saying you are world's beautiful girl. Sandeep Kadam is saying.
Thank you, Sandeep.
Okay, how do you take compliments? Is it like अपना तो रोज का है about same मतलब
लड़कियों के लिए ऐसा कभी नहीं हो सकता। ये आप बिल्कुल याद कर लीजिए, आपकी बेटियाँ हैं।
कितनी है? क्या है?
आपकी बेटी है।
बेटी, हाँ, बेटी यानी
बेटी हमारा दो है। अभी याद आया कि एक बेटी है आपकी। तो you have to remember कि लड़कियों के लिए और बेटी के लिए और जितनी भी आपकी फीमेल फ्रेंड्स हैं लाइफ में, no matter how many times you compliment them, it's never enough.
No, absolutely.
It's
This much I understand.
always wonderful
This
to
much
get a
I
compliment.
understand. This much I absolutely understand.
है ना?
And the best thing is that never argue with them. Women are always right. The best way of staying a happy man is just surrender. Okay. This is Alok Sankar, one of the most beautiful girls in Bollywood. Yeah, talking about
It's a nice
movie.
sign.
You want to speak about something about Duck biopic? You're working with your favorite director.
My whole team is here right now. Well, a part of the team is here right now. Raju sir is Adam Collins sir. I don't know while when I do interviews, I feel compelled to say so because he's such an iconic director. But I personally call him Bapu. Mr. Raju Hirani is Bapu for me because we did Lage Raho Na Bhai. So that kind of stuck. Because in my zehn mein, I feel that if there was to be an incarnation of Mahatma Gandhi, it would be...
No, absolutely. I think he's an amazing guy. Amazing guy. Amazing guy. And the fact that...
But he's changing his image with that
Shefali Dutta is not from Austria. Sorry.
Hi.
You are really inspiration for girls. Aisha Nawaz is saying you're really aspiration for girls. I think she's trying to say inspiration. But her chance for okay, a lot of people are asking about Rehna Hai Teri Dil Mein. We've spoken so much about that movie so many times. So that is there already.
So since we've celebrated the 15th year of Rehna Hai Teri Dil Mein, the pressure to make a sequel has been getting really strong.
Right.
A lot of
Madhavan
people...
is showing those chocolatey looks once again.
Yeah, what's going on with him, right? I thought I was... So the other day I told him, I said, what's going on with you? Why are you looking so good? So he said, what, only you're allowed to look good? So I was like, yeah, now you're in competition with me.
Okay, so you're talking about that biopic. Could you please tell me what exactly you're doing about it? Because you spoke more about Raju.
Yes. So the That biopic is a special place. I think the one thing that it has given me the opportunity to do is to be a part of a film that has such wonderful talent. Working with Ranbir, with Anushka, working with Vicky Kaushal. These are the main, like the characters who I worked most closely on. Piyush Mishra ji. So that's been amazing. Ranbir is unbelievable. He is just... I can't wait for you guys to see this film. I really can't.
No, I
He's so special. He's so special. Should we go away now?
Arushi, yes, huh? I think let's continue.
Okay.
Dia, you've been an inspiration to everyone. Arushi Kapila. Song, anyone please. Mangesh in there, if you can sing.
Zara.
Yeah.
I can't sing Mangesh.
दो लाइन आप बस
ये बचपन से मुझे 15 साल से यही फरमाइश मिलती है यार. This is really not fair. जरा जरा महकता है बहकता है आज तो मेरा I can't sing.
But you're singing very well. There's no doubt about that. Okay, song she has sung Mangesh Shinde. How many times will you say it now? Okay, so that's wonderful. Okay, all right. And Dia, would you like to talk about your Hyderabadi connection because you're from Hyderabad and
The fact that I make the meanest, the coolest, the most amazing biryani in Bombay.
मैं तो आपसे हमेशा ये आपसे आपकी फिल्म के बारे में से पूछता हूँ बिकॉज फिर से शायद यहाँ फिल्म प्रोड्यूस करेंगे तो हमको बिरयानी फिर से मिल सकती है तो मतलब बिरयानी तभी आप कुछ उसका
I have to tell you that for a very long time I've been promising Javed Saab and Shabana ji that I will cook for them. और वो बात रह ही गई थी, मतलब हो ही नहीं रहा था because they are always traveling. And finally I had them over the other night and I cooked everything. I made biryani, bagare bagan, khatti dal and chicken ka korma and like the whole Hyderabadi spread, right? Shabana ji kissed my hand. And I think that's the sweetest compliment ever. और इसी के लिए तो हमारे मतलब we learn these things up because I feel that these recipes have tradition, they have history, they have culture, so much of our identity in them. So it was great fun.
It was great fun. Okay, fantastic. So
I'm so out of breath.
We're making Bolodangama is making the Mirza
walk out
and that too in
the middle of the afternoon
New York. Central Park. Okay, so there are many more comments which are coming in, but thank you very much Dia for talking to us and taking out so much of time. It was lovely talking to you, and I'm sure that people are already enjoying watching this Facebook Live as well, and whatever conversation that we've had with you earlier as well. I'm sure that it will be hugely inspirational. You're doing amazing stuff for environment and social issues, and please keep on doing that. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Pari. It was such fun. Thank you. Bye.